So, you want to know how to roll your R's in Spanish. Many of us struggle with this, but it's actually pretty easy. Now, no worries if you're like, Nate, are you kidding me? Easy. I've been trying to do this for years and I still can't get it. Hopefully by the end of this video, you will have a better grasp on how to do this. And trust me, it does take practice, but as long as you can kind of do this basic pattern, you should be able to get this down. So the first thing you're going to do is touch the alveolar ridge. What is that? It's that little bump at the top of your mouth. Feel it with your tongue. Okay, it's called the alveolar ridge. So you're going to touch that. Then you will move the tongue either back or forward while slowly blowing out air. So let's just blow out air, okay? Like this, okay? Then touch that bump, and you're going to move the tongue backwards or forwards. For me, it's kind of right behind the alveolar ridge. So I'm going to move the tongue back, and I'm just going to blow out air. Okay? Now, make sure that your tongue is relaxed. It doesn't need to be this kind of tight thing. Just relax. Okay? It's not super relaxed, but it's also not super tense. It's kind of in between. And you just move it back or forth until you find the sweet spot. And that's really all that there is to it. People have even said that you could practice by putting a pencil here in your mouth and then putting your tongue up and then blowing out air. That might also help you as well. But that's essentially what it is. It's just moving your tongue back and forth and finding the spot where your tongue starts to trill. Once you find that spot, then it's just a matter of practice. For example, in high school, I didn't know how to whistle, but I started playing the guitar and I wanted to be able to whistle along to songs. So I taught myself how to whistle. I watched the videos. I saw, okay, do this, try this, whatever. It kind of worked, but the way that I really got it down was just by practicing all the time. I would try to practice whistling as I walked between classes. So it's really that simple. You just have to practice. Okay, so. Okay. Bueno, muchas gracias por ver este video. If you'd like to learn more Spanish from me, click the link in the video description or go to SpanishNate.com to check out our Fluent Spanish Speaker Academy. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.